Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Mondrian Square puzzle. This little puzzle was designed by Tom Joly and inspired by the abstract geometric paintings of the Dutch artist Piet Mondrian. The Mondrian Square puzzle was made by Cubic Dissection in the United States. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 pieces into the frame. This puzzle is made from anodized aluminum and brushed brass. It has 4 parts and a frame, and all the parts are held together by this chain. If you unlock the chain and remove it, you will be able to remove the first piece, and then you have to figure out the way how to remove the rest. Then you mix the parts and try to assemble everything back together. This is a not very difficult puzzle, but it is a very nice puzzle that you can carry with you all the time, since once it's solved, you can put the chain back and use this puzzle as a keychain, and you will always have a puzzle with you, doesn't matter where you go. This puzzle also comes in a small felt bag, and there is a small rope that comes with it. You can use the rope instead of the chain and wear this puzzle as a pendant. And it will be a pendant that you can solve sometimes if you are bored and have nothing to do. If you like the Mondrian Square puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.